Hello everyone. Firstly, I would like to thank LBEF College for giving me the opportunity to talk as an alumni. Myself, Rajendra Shrestha, founder and CEO of Techrida Inc, as well as Crestha Holdings. As a batch of 2012 to 2015, I graduated in B.Sc IT. I first-hand experienced the excellence of LBEF College as the first IT college of Nepal. So what set LBEF apart is the practicality in education, the hands-on experience that they provide, and the experience in the technical foundation, as well as in the growing industry exposure that they provide while studying in LBEF. To all the IT professionals, the future professionals that would like to join LBEF, you're not just choosing a college, you're choosing to be a part of the legacy that's going to be instilled in a Nepalese IT industry. So I'd like to thank LBEF for providing me the opportunity to speak as an alumni as well, and I would like to thank LBEF for being the stepping stone for my entrepreneurial journey. Thank you everyone.